Hey there, pool owners. If your pool water looks cloudy, smells funny, or just isn't feeling right, chances are your pool chemistry is out of whack. But don't worry. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to balance your pool chemicals step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have sparkling, swim-ready water in no time. First things first, you can't balance what you don't test. Grab a pool test kit or test strips and check for these 5 things: pH, total alkalinity, calcium hardness, chlorine or sanitizer level, cyanuric acid, aka CYA or stabilizer. Start with total alkalinity because it acts like a buffer for your pH. Ideal range needs to be 80 to 120 parts per million, ppm. Too low, add baking soda. If it's too high, you'll need muriatic acid or sodium bisulfate. Adjust slowly, always in small doses, and let the pump run for a few hours before retesting. Next, get your pH in line. You want it in between 7.4 and 7.6 for swimmer comfort and equipment protection. If it's too low, use a pH increaser, sodium carbonate. If it's too high, use a pH reducer like muriatic acid or sodium bisulfate, which these chemicals will also lower total alkalinity. Remember, small changes go a long way. Too much acid or base can throw everything off. Now let's talk about calcium hardness. It's especially important if you have a plaster or concrete pool. The ideal range is 200 to 400 ppm. If it's too low, add a calcium increaser. Or if it's too high, unfortunately, the only fix is dilution. Yep, that means draining some water and refilling. Now your chlorine. It should be between 1 and 3 ppm. Use liquid chlorine and chlorine tablets. Chlorine tablets also raise CYA, so watch the levels so you don't let cyanuric acid, CYA, to get too high. Speaking of CYA, it protects your chlorine from getting burnt off by the sun. Ideal range needs to be 30 to 50 ppm. Any higher and it locks up your chlorine. So to adjust it, if it's too low, add stabilizer or add chlorine tablets. Too high, again, your only real option is to dilute the water. Also, chemical balance doesn't matter if your water isn't moving. Make sure your pump runs at least 8 to 12 hours a day. But my personal opinion is to keep the pump on 24/7 and make sure that your filter is clean. Also, brush and skim regularly to help distribute chemicals and keep gunk out. Let's recap. Test your water, balance alkalinity first, then pH, calcium hardness, chlorine, and CYA. Run the pump and clean your filter. And retest often, especially after rain, heavy swimming, or adding water. If you found this helpful, watch our other useful videos right here to help your pool out. And don't forget to subscribe.